When it comes to temporary construction barriers, selecting the right material is crucial for efficiency, durability, and cost-effectiveness. While some may opt for thin films, vinyl stands out as the superior choice, especially for projects requiring long-term stability and professional presentation. Why thin films fall short? Although thin films may seem like a cost-effective choice, their lack of durability makes them unreliable for demanding construction environments. Prone to tearing and damage, they struggle to withstand the rigors of high-traffic areas, leading to frequent replacements. Over time, they lose their shape, sagging and wrinkling, which diminishes the project's professional appearance. While the upfront cost is lower, hidden expenses from maintenance and replacements quickly add up, making thin films an impractical choice for long-term use. Why vinyl is the best choice? Vinyl stands strong against tears, punctures, and impacts. Unlike flimsy alternatives, it maintains its structural integrity over time without sagging or deteriorating. Its smooth, wrinkle-free surface enhances the overall appearance of a project, giving it a professional and polished look. While the initial investment may be higher, the long-term savings outweigh the cost by reducing frequent replacements and labour expenses. Additionally, it provides superior dust and debris control, ensuring a cleaner and safer work environment. The clear choice. For durability, cost savings, and a polished appearance, vinyl is the only reliable option for temporary construction walls. Thin films may seem budget-friendly at first, but their frequent failures make them an impractical choice. Invest in quality. Choose vinyl for a long-lasting and professional construction barrier.